A warm Disney welcome to our honorees. Tonight, all the magic of Disney is focused on you. As Walt once said, you can dream, create, design, and build the most wonderful place in the world. But it requires people to make the dream a reality. Make no mistake, you are those people. Cinderella had the fairy godmother. Aladdin had Genie. Walt had Mickey. And we have you. Since the first day you stepped into Walt's magnificent dream, you have been making the magic day after day, year after year, decade after decade. And so tonight, we celebrate you, our dream makers, with this fantasy in the sky. The truth is, you are the ones who bring the dream to life. You are the reason our guests believe that wishes really do come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, as dreamers do, and all our wishes will come true. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Oh boy, this place sure is swell. Some folks like to say that it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you! Each and every one of you. Anytime you set foot here, you leave this place brighter than it was before. Because you are the magic.
Make a wish upon a star. Close your eyes and just believe it. You have traveled from so far, and now you're close enough to feel it. With a smile on your face and a song in your heart, this is where you're meant to be. Make a wish upon a star. The magic is here. It's here for you and me.
Take a magical carpet ride, travel to Neverland. Just believe that you can.
So come and be your
Be
guide.
your guide, 'cause it's there inside.
If you believe,
You believe today it's possible tomorrow.
that's all.
Let your heart guide the way. All your dreams will follow.
are the magic. You make every happily ever after possible. You are the people who make Walt's dream come true. With deep gratitude in our hearts, we thank you for every moment of your life you shared with us and all who come to this happy place. Because of you, the magic of Disney lives on.